When your body has high testosterone, your muscles are broader and tighter, your energy level is high, and your confidence is at its peak. But if it's low, don't worry. In today's video, I'll give you practical and science-based tips to naturally boost your testosterone level. I've divided this video into 6 essential steps, and steps 4 and 5 are ones you must watch. You must have noticed that people who take proper care of their diet and lifestyle remain strong and energetic even after the age of 35. That's because a balanced diet and healthy habits help maintain testosterone level. When testosterone level starts dropping, you begin noticing several changes in the body. Let's talk about 5 key signs that indicate low testosterone level. Sign 1. Hair and beard loss. Testosterone is an important hormone for our hair and beard growth. If its level starts dropping, hair begin to thin and fall, and beard growth may slow down or appear patchy. Sign 2. Muscle loss and weakness. Low testosterone leads to a gradual loss of muscle mass. Muscles feel weaker, and bone mass also decreases, which increases the risk of fractures and injuries in the future. Sign 3. Fat gain and belly fat. With low testosterone, your body starts storing fat, especially in the belly area. Sign 4. Low energy and fatigue. Testosterone is an energy-boosting hormone. When its level is low, you feel tired, lazy, and weak throughout the day. Sign 5. Mood swings and low confidence. If you're feeling irritated, moody, or less confident, low testosterone might be the cause. This hormone plays a major role in mental health and confidence. So, these are the signs of low testosterone. But now let's focus on how to fix them. In the next steps, we'll look at practical solutions to naturally boost your testosterone. Watch till the end. Step 1. Sleep, the most important factor. Sleep quality plays a major role in boosting testosterone. The less you sleep, the more your testosterone drops. According to research, 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep is crucial for testosterone production. But it's not just about sleeping, it's about quality sleep. Here's how to improve sleep quality. Turn off all screens, mobile, TV, laptop, 1 hour before bed. Try sleeping and waking up at the same time every day, and maintain a 2-hour gap between dinner and sleep. If your sleep quality improves, your testosterone will automatically increase. Step 2. Strength training and workouts. Go to the gym or work out at home. Doing 30 to 40 minutes of weight training or resistance exercises daily is one of the most effective ways to boost testosterone. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. These heavy compound movements help increase testosterone. Use progressive overload. Try increasing your strength weekly. If you're squatting 40 kilograms today, aim for 45 or 50 kilograms next week or increase reps. If you do regular strength training, your body will naturally produce more testosterone. Step 3. Eat diets boosting testosterone. Add these testosterone-boosting foods to your diet. Number 1. Healthy fats, for example, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. Number 2. Zinc and magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, cashews, dark chocolate. Number 3. Protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, cheese, fish. Avoid sugar and processed foods. They lower testosterone. Step 4. Natural boosters. Ashwagandha, a powerful Ayurvedic herb that reduces stress and boosts testosterone. Ginger and garlic, natural boosters that improve blood circulation and hormone production. The cleaner and more natural your diet, the higher your testosterone will be. Step 5. Manage stress. Whenever you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which lowers testosterone. To manage stress, do meditation and deep breathing daily. Even 10 minutes a day can help. Avoid overthinking and negativity. The more time you spend in sunlight, the higher your testosterone level. Studies show that vitamin D has a direct link with testosterone. So try to get 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily. Morning sunlight is best. Step 6. Cold showers and intermittent fasting. Both can help boost testosterone level. Cold showers improve blood circulation and energy levels. Intermittent fasting improves hormone regulation. Rather than skipping breakfast, just avoid processed carbs and sugar. Add these two habits to your routine, and your body will naturally boost testosterone. If you're serious about boosting testosterone, follow these 6 steps daily, and you'll see the results for yourself.